what's up everyone? It's Mariana here. Welcome to this review video. Today I'm doing an honest review of a product that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I'll show you what it is, how it works, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth. But before we get into the details, let me show you something real. I'm opening my affiliate dashboard on my phone so you can see one of my students' actual commissions, and I'll refresh it live right now. No screenshots, okay? There it is. But this is the kind of result our students are getting using our free traffic blueprint. And yes, it can generate mid-ticket affiliate sales and high-ticket commissions at the same time using the same method. All right, now let's jump into the product and I'll walk you through the full demo. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, please hit like and subscribe. I'll be posting more reviews and new bonus bundles soon.
Email marketing is the best way to land huge profits again and again. Did you know that, on average, people check their email 15 times daily? And that there are 4 billion email users every single day? Email marketing is gigantic, and it's set to keep growing, with the email marketing industry set to be worth over $22 billion by 2026. $22 billion. What if you don't have a list of high-converting, top-quality emails? 90% of winning emails use proven frameworks. Most high-performing emails follow similar formats, angles, and CTAs. Cloning AI instantly replicates these structures, saving time and boosting conversion rates from day one. Don't worry, Mailcloner has got you covered. Mailcloner is the world's first AI cloning autoresponder to clone and send unlimited emails for a lifetime, with no recurring costs ever. And if you don't have the leads, Mailcloner even helps you build top-quality lists with just one click. Create an unlimited email swipe using the power of ChatGPT. You're guaranteed to get verified leads to your autoresponder because Mailcloner uses their social media email. You can send unlimited emails, generate unlimited leads, and create an unlimited email swipe using ChatGPT. Claim your instant access now and get started today. Mailcloner helps you build high-converting, top-quality email lists. This lets you email your lists unlimited times with just one click. With Mailcloner, you're covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And for a limited time, we're offering you a meager, one-time fee that gives you lifetime access to Mailcloner. Grab your lifetime access to Mailcloner while you still can, and start claiming your share of the $22 billion fortune today.